Well, a good Wednesday evening to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks, and I hope everybody's having a show enough good hump day. But over here in East Central Mississippi, I'm here to tell you, chilly. It's in the high 40s right now. Before we get started on today's video, which is going to be an odd one because it's at night, I'm always going to say that if you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you return and just see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, I have a big predator problem. Give me a second and I'm finna show you. All right, Dan, what you got going on over there predator wise? Well, I'm here to tell you, a couple of nights ago, probably about maybe 2200 hours, 10 o'clock at night, my chickens were just cutting up something fierce. So I actually got up, grabbed a flashlight, walked out to the coop, which is where we're going right now. You're probably not gonna be able to see it because it's really dark out here. And I need to probably charge my battery on my light on my GoPro. But here's my chicken coop. I actually saw a big old possum with one of my chickens, or their legs anyways, in his mouth, and he was dragging them off. So I was like, what in the heck? If I'd have had one of my rifles or my sidearm with me, I probably would have ended that right then and there. But I have a huge possum that's getting into my coop, and he actually killed 3 of my hens. Found out where he's getting in at, so let me show you that. All right, so here we are at the back of the coop. Apologize for the shadow. I had to get my headlamp on so you can see what I'm talking about. But this is where he's getting in at. And he is coming out of this wood line somewhere, and he's scooting through here, through my pallet fence, and he's getting on in here. So I actually have something that I'm gonna use to try to live trap this possum and maybe relocate him somewhere else. I don't know, we'll have to see how that goes. So let's go back to the shop and I'm gonna show you what I got. All right, what I have here is a live trap. This is made by a company called Havahart, and this is the easy set trap. And what it is, it's fairly easy. It's got a handle. You pull that handle back, it opens the door. Here is the stop. When this thing falls and traps the animal, this piece right here actually lodges up against this stop right here, and it allows, what it doesn't allow is the trap to open up. This trap actually has a sensitivity setting on it, plus for smaller animals, minus for bigger animals. I got this set at about a medium. But this is what the trap looks like. I got a pin somewhere. What happens is you set your bait towards the back of the trap, back here. The animal goes in and sniffs on the bait. He steps on this plate right here, and the trap shuts. See, we'll set it again. And I'll show you back here. He steps on this pressure plate, trap shuts. So it's a fairly easy to set trap. I've set a few other traps that are a little bit more difficult to set, but this is a pretty decent trap and a live trap, and it's real easy to set up and arm. So what I'm going to use is I went to the Dollar General and I bought me a can of cheap sardines. Possums like anything pretty much stinky. So I'm thinking these sardines are going to work, and we're going to set these sardines towards the back of the trap. And hopefully Mr. Possum will walk on in, take a whiff of these sardines, step down on this pressure switch, and we'll catch him. So let's get these sardines open, put in a live trap. We're going to take it over to the chicken coop, and hopefully we'll catch that possum tonight. Today is Wednesday, so this video that you're watching now, I might put it out maybe on Thursday or Friday. I'm gonna try to get some video if I catch the possum to show you and y'all. how this Havahart trap works. So let's get the trap set. All right, here's the trap. See all of those feathers? They're all over the place. All right, here's our live trap. Took a cinder block to weight down the trap, just in case he gets trapped and goes to acting crazy, he doesn't flip this thing over. But in the back, I got my open can of sardines. Hope you can see it. Right back there. Maybe we can catch Mr. Possum that's terrorizing all my chickens. All right, that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all tonight. Lord of mercy. We got the Havahart live trap set up. Hopefully we can catch that big old possum that's terrorizing my hens. I hate losing my hens to any type of predator. And I didn't see that hole in the back of the coop. I guess I need to pay more attention to that. But for you and y'all that live out in the sticks, or anybody that has chickens, it's just one of them things you have to be vigilant when you predator-proof your coop, which I need to be more vigilant, but hopefully we'll catch that possum and everything will be good. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Wednesday evening, and I hope everybody stays safe throughout the rest of the week amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff like setting live traps down. That being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee, sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody doubt your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.